I'm going to give you 10 reasons you should start intermittent fasting. For fitness tips and effective workouts you can do at home, subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started.
Number 1, intermittent fasting changes the function of cells, genes, and hormones. Your body initiates important cellular repair processes and changes hormone levels to make stored body fat more accessible. Here are some of the changes that occur in your body during fasting: insulin levels, human growth hormone, cellular repair, and gene expression. There are beneficial changes in several genes and molecules related to longevity and protection against disease. Number 2, intermittent fasting can help you lose belly fat. Intermittent fasting will make you eat fewer meals. Unless if you compensate by eating much more during the other meals, you'll end up taking in fewer calories. Additionally, intermittent fasting enhances hormone function to facilitate fat loss. Lower insulin levels, higher growth hormone levels, and increased amounts of norepinephrine all increase the breakdown of body fat and facilitate its use for energy. Number 3, intermittent fasting can reduce insulin resistance. Anything that reduces insulin resistance should help lower blood sugar levels and protect against type 2 diabetes. Intermittent fasting has been shown to have major benefits for insulin resistance and lead to an impressive reduction in blood sugar levels. In human studies on intermittent fasting blood sugar has been reduced by 3 to 6%, while fasting insulin has been reduced by 20 to 31%. 4. Intermittent fasting can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress is one of the steps towards aging in many chronic diseases. It involves unstable molecules called free radicals, which react with other important molecules and damage them. Several studies show that intermittent fasting may enhance the body's resistance to oxidative stress. Studies show that intermittent fasting can help fight inflammation, another key driver of all sorts of common diseases. Number 5, intermittent fasting may be beneficial for heart health. It's known that various health markers are associated with either increased or decreased risk of heart disease. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve numerous different risk factors, including blood pressure, cholesterol levels, triglycerides, and inflammatory markers. The American Heart Association has reported that intermittent fasting is associated with lower rates of heart failure and a longer lifespan. Hey, are you looking for a program that you can do at home to help you lose fat, complete with meal plans, supplements, on-demand exercise program, expert coaching, and live support? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program, link in the description. Number 6, intermittent fasting causes cellular repair. When we fast, the cells in the body initiate a cellular waste removal process. This involves the cells breaking down and metabolizing broken and dysfunctional proteins that build up inside cells. Fasting triggers a metabolic pathway which removes waste material. The process may provide protection against several diseases, including cancer and Alzheimer's. Number 7, intermittent fasting may help prevent cancer. Cancer is a terrible disease characterized by uncontrolled growth of cells. Fasting has been shown to have several beneficial effects on metabolism that may lead to reduced risk of cancer. Although human studies are needed, promising evidence from animal studies indicates that intermittent fasting may help prevent cancer. There is also some evidence on human cancer patients showing that fasting reduces various side effects of chemotherapy. Number 8, intermittent fasting promotes brain health. Intermittent fasting may have important benefits for brain health. It may increase growth of new neurons and protect the brain from damage. This includes reduced oxidative stress, reduced inflammation, and a reduction in blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. Animal studies have shown that intermittent fasting protects against brain damage due to strokes. Number 9, intermittent fasting may prevent Alzheimer's. Studies in animals suggest that intermittent fasting may be protective against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease. There is no available cure for Alzheimer's, so preventing it from showing up in the first place is critical. In a series of case reports, a lifestyle intervention that included daily short-term fasts was able to significantly improve Alzheimer's symptoms in 9 out of 10 patients. Number 10, intermittent fasting may extend your lifespan. Given the known benefits for metabolism and all sorts of health markers, it makes sense that intermittent fasting can help you live a longer and healthier life. Studies in rats have shown that rats that fasted every other day lived 83% longer than rats who weren't fasted. Although this is far from being proven in humans, intermittent fasting has become very popular among the anti-aging crowd. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video to learn 6 reasons why the number on the scale doesn't matter for fat loss. That's it. That's all. See you next time.